Hi there. My lovely assistant and I are going to talk to you about Meshtastic nodes and what we've been doing with them. So I've got here two old cell phones, oh my God, that I'm not using any longer. Okay, buddy, that's good. And what I did was I put a couple Heltecs right on the phone. So I 3D printed this case, and I'm going to post a picture up to show you the innards, and we'll put that right there for you. And so the Heltec wireless sits in there, the V3, and I'm using this USB cable to attach it to the phone, and I'm powering it through the USB OTG option, and that gives me the power to the Meshtastic node. And then I'm connected also through the USB port, as you can see here. Hopefully that's not too blurry for you. And looky there, we are connected. This is the LoRa phone, and then the Heltec wireless paper is this guy over here. Now this one, I did a little something different. This one is connected via Bluetooth, but what I did, this is an old Samsung J3, and what I did, and I'll throw some better pictures in if needed, is I used the wireless paper because that's what I had. And it has no display, so it uses less power. But I drilled a hole into the back of the battery case and then tapped into the two battery tabs, and I'll bring a picture up to show that to you. And on this particular one, I decided to put an external antenna, but I also had to put a power switch on here. And yes, I know I dug out a hole instead of printing a new box. Yes. Because since it's permanently attached to the phone battery, that node will stay on all the time unless I have a way of powering it down. So this way we can carry these little suckers around in our pocket. We've got our node and our interface together. We're repurposing a cell phone, and I'm not utilizing my phone, so if I want to do other stuff on my phone, the Heltec's still doing this little Meshtastic thing all by itself. And I thought this was a pretty good idea, and it's a good way to use some old phones over and over again. So I hope you like it, and I hope you find it a good idea, and maybe you want to do it yourself with an old cell phone that you've got laying around. Thanks for watching. I don't know how anybody can work in an uncluttered environment. I mean, everything's perfectly at reach. It's right where I need it. How do these neat people ever get anything done?